Well, hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to Crafting at the Lake House. This is card design number 2. And for today's card, we are featuring the Words of the Season dies. I am a sucker for word dies. I'm not going to use any of the stamps in the stamp set for this card, but I will use it in the future. So I have 2 pieces of basic white card here that have been put on, like adhesive sheet has been put on the back of that. Essentially it is, I've just cut down little pieces of basic white with adhesive sheet on the back. So I'm using my my mini cut and emboss machine because I can do this all right from my desk here. Everybody say hey to Johnny B. That's his name. Don't ask. Just don't ask. Okay, so I'm running that through, and this is the really nice thing about a mini cut and emboss machine. They're so tiny that Johnny B just sits to the left of my desk, and it is very easy to work with him. So as I said before, these pieces of basic white cardstock were actually treated with adhesive sheet. If you don't have any adhesive sheet yet, you should go get some. There's plenty in a package. It will last for a very long time. It is a worthy thing to have. Instead of having to dot glue everywhere, I can, if I wanted to, on a word die like this, I could add 2 or 3 word dies and stack them together to make them thicker and have more substance on the card. Today I'm only using 2. I'm only using the 1 layer. So as you can see, I'm adhering these words to a 1/2 inch strip of black cardstock. Now, let me see here. What size was that? 5 1/8, no, by 3 3/4. Yeah, sure. That's what I used. Anyway, honestly, you guys, just go to my blog. There's a link in the description box below and go get the PDF. And then that way you don't have to rely on my memory for the sizing of things, because I film these and then I edit them, and I work ahead. So sometimes I can't always remember, and I'm looking back on the PDF right now, and I see it written here. So you guys go grab yourself the free PDF. It's on my blog. It's on the pink button that you'll see, and it says download the free PDF. Like, seriously, it's free. I'm happy to share. So anyway, and there's lots of pictures and there's detailed instructions and everything. But anyway, now that I've adhered it where I want it to go, I'm burnishing down the backside with my bone folder, and then I'm going in with an embossing buddy bag, or just even talcum powder, whatever you got, and to neutralize the stickiness on the back of that adhesive. I only want the adhesive to stick where I want it to. So this is a piece of basic white card stock here, and I am adhering bits and pieces of, this is called the Modern Christmas Designer Series paper, or normal people call it pattern paper. And this is specialty though, because it has a little bit of that lovely gold in there. So I am putting my Merry Christmas banner across the front, and then I'm going to go in with my adhesive, and I'm going to put this card front on the card base, and the card is almost done. So I am going to pull out the gold shaker stars for this one, and it just made all the difference for this card. So these are shaker bits, but you don't have to use them for shaker bits. The one thing that I would say is to dot the glue very, very lightly, like, pinhead, as small dots as you possibly can, and then remember where you dot them. And then I use my take your pick tool, and it's something that I do. I unhook the pointy end and I have the putty end on one side, and I do a little, some people call this stamp surgery. I'm just saying it's like easier to place with the putty, and sometimes the putty is too sticky. So you need to have a pokey tool to hold down the thing, in this case a star, that you want to adhere to your card. So here it goes in with the putty. Putty's too sticky, and then I just hold it there. So anyway, you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section on YouTube, or in the supply section of my blog, and those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love to meet you and earn your business. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.